Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, we're gonna continue our part 2 of University of Paderborn University application via Uni-Assist and finishing the application this time, which is a part 2. In part 1, I also showed you how to look for the Paderborn University for the course Master of Science in Computer Engineering. We also checked in the official website of Paderborn University, checked also again the requirements and went with the application deadlines. And the day when we made the video, the last Friday, I also mentioned that the application will end on November 30th. And if you can see now, it says your selection which is in your cart is not open for application. So that's the reason. In the last video, I also showed you how to fill in the normal details quickly, and also I suggested you guys to pause it wherever you want and fill it and submit it before I make the second part. And I am making this video because in order to complete the loop. So in future, if somebody wants to apply for this particular Paderborn University in winter semester, then they can look into part 1 and part 2 completely, then they will be ready to apply for themselves. So yes, today what I'm doing, it won't be applicable for summer semester 2025, as summer semester 2025 application deadline is already over on November 30th. I'm recording this on December 2nd. So that is why it is showing that this course study is currently not open for application. But anyway, in order to complete the loop, I will show you how to fill in the details and explain it. That's the main motto of this video, because how to fill it and what are the things to fill it, I have already showed in first video where I quickly went through, and I also suggested you guys to pause it wherever you want and fill it again. So before making any ado, we'll get started. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need so that they can also look into videos and apply from themselves and get their dream college in Germany and start their master studies. Here in the second part of the video, as I told you, you have to fill in the mandatory details that you have to fill. At first, you have to fill in your educational data. In the educational data, the first thing I always suggest you guys to fill is your second PUC or 12th standard details. So here, the 12th or 10 plus 12 will be 2 years of degree. So in our side, in our Karnataka, we used to say it is pre-university degree, but in other states, they might also call it as 12th or 12th standard or PUC, or things like that. But here, just give the 2 years degree, that the 2 years schooling that you have done, which will be PUC or 12th. So I have given the period of attendance from 2 years, and name of the college and the school that I have attended is Marimalappas High School or Marimalappas PUC. Then the country would be India, and name of the certificate awarded was pre-university degree. Date of school leaving certificate will be mentioned in your second PUC or 12th marks card. Please fill in the date which is mentioned in your official document. So if you have attended secondary school, high school, obtained certificate, other one. So here what you can do is, people who have done diploma, then they can't fill in the school 1 which is PUC. So then please fill in the diploma details here, and that until 10th or until SSLC, please fill in school 2. So please fill in school 2, which will be your SSLC or until 10th, and in school 1 please fill in your second PUC, 12th if you have done so. Otherwise, if you have done diploma, then please fill in the diploma as school 1. After diploma or your second PUC, what you will do, you will generally go and join for engineering college. Before joining for engineering college, it's also mandatory in some of the states to take a university entrance qualification, which will be your CET, NEET, JEE mains and etc. So there are numerous amount of entrance exam qualification to start you before degree. So you will take any of one. So please select which entrance examination you have taken, and then give the date when you have did the entrance exam. People who come from different country or different state who doesn't have any university entrance qualification, then please set it to no and don't fill anything. So then I told you why you are taking the university entrance qualification exam. So university entrance qualification exam you are taking in order to pursue the university. Which university that you pursued till now, which you have done your bachelor degree. So here you have to give your first university qualification, which is your bachelor degree outside Germany. So that's the reason here you have to fill your bachelor details. First would be your period of study from 4 years of period of study from 2016 to 2020. That's where I studied, but please fill in the details that you have studied. and name and the country of the institution that you have studied. So I studied in Visvesvaraya Technological University in India and Karnataka. Other than that, the subject specific area that you have done. So the subject specific area that I have done is electrical engineering. Then type of degree and qualification that you have made is Bachelor of Engineering. So here somebody also commented in latest video, why you have given Bachelor of Engineering, can't it be Bachelor of Technology? In that situation, always it is good to check your bachelor degree certificate, and there they would have mentioned it is Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Technology. I usually give it Bachelor of Engineering, but if in certificate it is mentioned Bachelor of Technology, then please mention Bachelor of Technology. Please make sure that what you're writing in any of the application details, it has to be associated with your document. So it has to be same like your document. So please mention the same names which are in your document. Other than that, you can just set no to all this student college and FSPs things, because you are not doing any student college and other things, because these student college and things usually will be for people who start doctor or any nursing courses, or people who are interested in joining for bachelor degree courses and their schooling is not 18 years or 17 years, then they will come here and do student college for 1 or 2 years. It's like that. These are the things. But for master studies, if you're doing for completely English and coming after bachelor, then it should be no for everything. So please select no for everything. Then it's studies in Germany, you have already done no. So if you are a first time applier who has finished your bachelor's in Germany or India, has finished your bachelor's in India and applying for master's in Germany, and you are applying for first semester, then it should be no. But if you are a guy who is already in Germany and studied some 1 or 2 semesters in different uni, and here for this Paderborn University applying for 3rd semester, then you have to click on yes and give the first degree which you have done in Germany. But usually it would be no, and don't fill anything. Then you can click on save. These are the non-answered mandatory question that we have filled, and in order to associate with that, we have to upload all our documents. While uploading documents, as I told you, usually it is good to upload your work or internship documents, bachelor degree certificate, 10th, passport, SOP, language certificate, and curriculum vitae. Here APS is not updated. German language certificate, if you have there, then place up. So these are the usual documents that you need to present. And here some people asked me if they have to give APS directly when applying or not. Usually when you're applying, if you have a APS document, then please upload it. If not, then please upload the application confirmation that you have applied for APS in the application. So if you don't have it one, okay. So don't make that document as you don't know, like don't keep that as free. So say example, you are applying via Uni-Assist, there is no mandatory option that they have said you have to upload a APS document, but please make sure you attach a APS application that you have made. Tell them I have already applied, I'm waiting for the document, but here is the receipt that I have applied. But if you have it already, then upload it which you have one. So don't keep that criteria to be not filled. So please fill some of the information to that criteria. It is mandatory. Yes, but it is not mentioned in any of the website yet, because it is not updated, because it's so early. So there are so many it will take some time to update in each website. So that's the reason it is not it won't be updated everywhere. So it is mandatory to apply when applying only. For some university okay, but it is anyway mandatory to get your visa. So anyway you guys are doing it. So while doing it, when you're applying only, just make sure that you attach a document saying I have applied for it if you have not yet received. If you have received, then attach it. That's it. Simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Then you can just go to the upload documents and you have answered all mandatory questions. Then you can click on choose payment option and pay it. But as of now, it is not allowing me to pay it because the application deadline is finished. So that's the reason I told you in the last video of 29th. So please pause and fill it by yourself. That's it. Then if you guys are helpful with the videos I am making, then well, all the best for you guys. Then in next video, we're gonna continue our same requirement analysis video, or I will also check for any of the application video which is open. Then I will do a application video for it. That's it. Thank you so much. We'll see you in next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.